It's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and excuse me, but there is nothing to see here. Why? Because I was making my two St. Patrick's Day soap. One was rosemary, and the other was cucumber melon. And on both of these soaps, I forgot to press video, and I was live, so we did catch it there. But I don't have a video to upload here, so there's nothing to see. But come back for the cut.
I used to have 4 kids running around the house. Still amazed at the quietness of my empty nest.
Feel like a little bit of muddying, but not a lot. I think I got it. And okay, that is so not the right leash on that one. All right. So what I'm looking for is I really want to make sure that I got a different look from anything that I have. Let me, okay, let me stop this because I think
Anything that anybody ever said in life would be a disadvantage to me, I'm gonna make it my advantage.
Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz. Can I lather you up for St. Patrick's Day? I'm up early steaming some soaps. We're going to get these unmolded and cut and get them on the shelf so they'll be ready to go in our beautiful St. Patrick's Day gold boxes. They're available now at the pre-sale, so go check those out. Only a limited supply. One is cucumber melon and the other is a beautiful rosemary. These are going to be, again, in your St. Patrick's Day box. Can I lather you up? Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz once again working with this St. Patrick's Day soap. While I was taking pictures and steaming, I realized, like, wait a minute, this thing is ready to unmold. Now, for those of you who know, I asked the question about should we do a deep liquid discount on our aloe vera recipe. There it is right there. We took it down a little bit more and look how it came out. Now, this one was our buttermilk recipe. Of course, you know it was going to pop out the mold beautifully. And so it looks like I'm going to be able to cut these early and go ahead and get them on the shelf. Can I lather you up?
Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare right now to be
Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and yeah, we waited another 24 hours to cut this and getting some of the same results, which means I need to add something a little harder to this recipe. Still a beautiful soap, but you'll see at the end there it started getting sticky again, so we'll figure it out. Enjoy the cut.